Homeowners, here's the easiest DIY you've ever done. Want to prevent mold, mildew, and musty odors in your washer and dryer as well as on your clothes? Follow these steps. Step 1. That's it. One step. One. Well, you need to come back and close your washer and dryer doors later, but you know. Point is, if you're closing the door on both your washer and your dryer immediately after use, you're doing it wrong. That's because both of these clothes laundering appliances have residual moisture inside after a cycle. The humidity left behind by wet garments creates conditions conducive to mold, mildew, and musty odors. Once that funk gets a foothold, it's hard to get rid of, both inside your washer and dryer and on your clothes, creating a cycle of smelliness every time you run a cycle. But you can prevent this by leaving your washer and dryer doors open just a couple of inches after each use, and leaving them like that for about an hour. You don't want to leave them open all the time, however, as that invites dust contamination and makes for an enticing place for your pets to hole up for a nap. But leaving them open for a short while after doing your laundry will help keep things aired out and odor-free.